All right, so this question says a quadratic function is represented by the equation y is equal to negative x squared plus 4x plus 21. What can you predict about the shape of the graph? So when we think about it, here are a couple of things that we know to be true about the graph. We know that the standard form of the quadratic comes in the form ax squared plus bx plus c. And here are a couple of things we can predict about the graph. In this particular equation, the equation is given by y is equal to x squared plus 4x plus 21. So if we look at the values for each of the coefficients and terms in the equation, well, we can see that the a in this equation is negative 1, the b is positive 4, and the c is 21. Now, since a is negative, we know that this is going to be a function that opens downwards. The c being 21 also means that the y-intercept for this graph is 21. So we can predict that, hey, this is going to be a graph that is opening downwards. I know it's crossing at the y-intercept, which is going to be 0, 21. And I know that this is where my x-intercepts are going to be. I also know that this will have a maximum value. So those are some things we can predict about the graph. So we don't know what these are yet. If we had the factored form of the equation, we could tell. But we can call this A 0. And we can call this B 0. Those would be the coordinates. If it were in the factored form, we could tell exactly what those are.